Hey boys and girls, it's Miss Murphy. What is your favorite subject to learn about in school? That's so cool. My favorite subject is math. I like math because math often feels like you're solving puzzles. In today's lesson, it really is going to feel like a puzzle. You're going to learn to look for patterns to help solve addition equations. Now, today's lesson is a little bit trickier, so I want you to get a math buddy. You can pick an animal or favorite toy to share your answers with. If you have a grown-up or a sibling that you want to share with, you can use them too. But you can always use your math buddy. So whenever I ask you a question in today's lesson, feel free to stop the video, talk it out with your buddy, come back and press play. I want you to be doing the thinking today because you're going to need to do that in your assignment. If you're ready, let's get started. Let's start by looking at an addition story. On my chairs, I have groups of stuffed animals. On this chair, I have 2 stuffed animals. On this chair, I have 3 more stuffed animals. That means I'm joining a group of 2 with a group of 3. I could show this by writing 2 plus 3 equals. Now, all I have to do is figure out how many animals there are in all. Do you remember what I need to do to figure that out? You're right, I need to count all of them. Come on, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 animals in all. 2 plus 3 equals 5. I wonder if the animals switched chairs, would I still have 5? What do you think? Well, let's see and find out. Let's count down from 3 and they'll switch chairs. Ready? 3, 2, 1. They switched. Cool. Now, I have 3 animals on this chair and 2 animals on this chair. That means I'm joining a group of 3 with a group of 2. I could represent this by writing 3 plus 2 equals. Do you think I need to count the animals to figure out how many in all? You're right, I don't need to count them. Tell your learning buddy why I don't need to count them. You should have said, I know there's still 5 because it's the same animals. We didn't get any new animals and none of the animals left. There are 5. Now, let's take a closer look at the equations and see if we can find a pattern. 2 plus 3 equals 5. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Remember, a pattern is when something is the same. So, what is the same about our 2 equations? Don't forget to tell your math buddy. You're right. Both of the equations equal 5, and both of the equations have the numbers 3 and 2. So what's different about the equations? Tell your math buddy. The different thing about the equations is the numbers 2 and 3 are flip-flopped. Up here we have 2 plus 3. Down here it flip-flops to 3 plus 2. But it seems like it doesn't matter what order they're in. It's just like the animals switching chairs. They still equal 5. Let's check out another problem. In this next problem, I have 2 plus something equals 3. Then I have 1 plus something equals 3. So in both cases, I need to figure out how many more I need to get to that total of 3. Let's start with the first one. If I have 2 animals, how many more would I need to get to 3 animals? Well, if I'm counting, I know that 3 comes after 2. 1, 2, 3. So I must need 1 more animal. I could fill that in my equation like this. 2 plus 1 equals 3. Now, let's look at the next problem. How is this problem the same as this one? You're right, it's got some of the same numbers. we know that we want 3 as the total in both of our problems. And look, they're both being joined with a group of 1. If I have 1, how many more do I need to get 3? Well, shoot, it's like my animals traded places again. If I started with 1 animal, I could just put these on the other chair. I need 2 more to get to 3. 1, 2, 3. Just like in our first problem, the only difference is these 2 numbers traded places. It doesn't matter what way you add them together. No matter what, when you join 2 and 1, or 1 and 2, you'll get 3. Friends, I hope you enjoyed solving those problems. I like a good puzzle. It's your turn. Go to your math assignment and see if you can solve problems by using patterns just like that. Until next time, bye!